Comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money.
Dollar, dollar. Dollar, dollar.
Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money.
Dollar, dollar.
Hello and welcome to Money on the Floor Currency Trader. I'm here to tell you what awesome is. Any of you guys know what awesome is? Awesome is being able to make money. This is awesome. I mean, how could it not be awesome? Told me way back here something was going to change. This told me to only take sell trades. So if I took sell trade after sell trade, this one told me to exit now, not think about it, exit. This one told me to trade it back down to the green arrow, to where if I wasn't sure to exit, this here, everything told me to exit. We're going up. We have a trend change. I mean, what more do you need? Everything's there. We got the GG trend bar on it now. We got the I panel trend. We got the EA. I'm even making a robot that'll trade for us. So, I mean, this is like the perfect system. I make money in the markets every day. My account's up to $746 because of these big moves. It's the only reason. If it wasn't for these big moves and I didn't know where to get out, I stayed in. I didn't get out here. I didn't panic. I knew we're going to bounce off of this or break through. We never broke through, therefore we bounced off. I mean, this told me to get out now because we were violently going to go up. And what happened? We went up and we hit resistance. This line is resistance. This is either resistance or support. It depends what side you're on. It's basically the middle. If I go smaller, you can see it just goes back and forth, just stays in the middle, stays right there, goes away from it, comes to it, goes away from it, comes to it. You know you're not going to go far from it. The thing is, when you get the big moves, where do you get out? That's what most people don't know. This tells you to get out now. Then it told you to get back in. Everything's red. Everything's still there. Get back in. When this arrow is red, the large one, you only look for sell trades. I didn't know that till after this one had already hit. Now this one's far enough away from the mean, the middle, that I probably would have traded it anyway down there. But once it told me to only look for sell trades, now I'm just looking for sell trades. And it gave me 1, 2, 3 great sell trades. And now it's telling me to buy. So that's a great buy trade. So what's going to happen? This is going to go all the way back up. And you only want to buy trades until I tell you to sell, So it's time to only do sell trades. And that's this indicator. And you get all of this with the template. You even get the news events, but I gave you that on the Telegram chat. I mean, even if you just did the red and red, green and green, you'd make money. But with all this together and the total strength, you have no reason to doubt yourself. And that's what it all comes down to. And when you do have indecision, you have your trend lines. It's telling you to sell. Are we below the trend line? Yes, sell it. Oh, we got green. Do we go above it? No. So we stay in. Do we go above it? No. We stay in. Do we go above it? Yeah, we better get out. I mean, I don't know what to tell you. This system is awesome. This system makes me money every day. And all I'm trying to say is if you want this system to make money for you every day, just go to my website. No, it's actually not my website. It's me and Robert's. Actually, Robert's and I. Let's speak properly here. I always get that wrong. Sorry about that. You know, English was never my best subject. Math was my best subject, as you can see. Now, Robert and I's website, you can purchase this system and you can make money with it. That's what it's all about. And once you purchase it, you will be able to come and trade with me at the trade room. The trade room is a place where I take all my personal trades. And if you have an idea or a trade you would like me to check out, I would be happy to do that, whether I take the trade or not. But if it's a good trade, I'm going to take it. I'm here to make money, but I don't have a lot of money because I like to push my trade. So therefore, I'm only trading one or two pairs. That's it, maybe even one pair, and I'm pushing it to the limit every time, so where I can make $200-300 a session. That's what it's all about. How do you think I went from $500 to $746? Because I pushed it. Because of this, it told me where to get in, where to get out. This is my roadmap. This is my decision maker. Nothing else makes a better decision than my roadmap or Robert's roadmap, our roadmap. I'll get this right one day. So anyway, we're here to make money. And I'm hoping you're here to make money. And if you want to make money and you're listening to this and you don't have this and you want this, it's a real simple deal. It's not $1,000. It's not $20,000, but it is something that will change your life. That's all I'm trying to tell you. This is what changed my life. I was profitable before, but I would lose the money because I didn't know where to get out, and I didn't have my great ins like I'm getting now. I had another system that got me in, but it didn't tell me to get out. Or I had another system that got me to get out, but didn't get me in. This system does everything. I mean, if you just went by, oh, it went underneath, went above, you got in and got out, you broke even. So you got in, got out, you made money. You got in, you lost, you made money. You made money. If you just went by that, you made money. If you just by any certain thing in here, you'd probably make money. But with it all together, you're not guessing. Isn't that the hardest part with Forex trading is guessing? That was mine. It's like, oh no, I don't know what this thing's doing. Does anybody trade the Gerber Japanese yen? I mean, do I get any information? I go on the internet. Oh, a lot of people say, yeah, on the day chart it says this. I know, but what does it say on the 10-minute chart, 15-minute chart, 5-minute chart? I can't trade the day chart. I don't have a 100 pip stop loss. I can't afford a 100 pip stop loss. But if you want your account to grow like mine's growing, this is what you have to get. And if you need any help at all, I will gladly give you mentoring. It's easy. Just let me know you're having issues with the system, and you ask me, hey, can we get together and figure out what I'm doing wrong? Sure, I can get together with you, and I can find out exactly what you're not doing right. You're not listening to the system. And I won't be mean about it. I'm here to help you. This thing saved my life. This thing kept me from having to get a job. You don't know how bad my wife was pushing me to get a job before I started actually making money in the markets. I would make it, lose it. Make it. One week I make it, next week I lose it. I couldn't even tell anybody how I'm doing truthfully because I always sucked. One day I made money, 5 days I lost money. Or I'd move my stop and the market held my money. That's the worst thing you could do. Is let the market have your money for 2 months and then give it back to you, and then you get $5 or you take a loss. And meanwhile, you're paying, commissions and swap fees and everything else. You'll find out if you do it. Trust me, I did it. Everybody does it. It's what we all do. It's part of being greedy. It's part of moving your stop. Ask Robert. He'll tell you all about it. We all have done it. And if you haven't done it, you probably will do it. The thing is don't do it. You need a system that says, hey, right here, look for sell trades only. Oh, that looks like a sell, but it's a green candle. It's going red. Everything's red. I mean, I don't know. It's not red here, but this thing's telling me to look for sell trades, and now it's all red. What happens? It's sold all the way down to here. Now, something's telling me something's wrong. Now we got a complete trend change. Get out. What are you doing? Get out. Oh, it's all green. Okay, let's buy it. Oh, something's going on. Even if you wait and 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 say, oh, I better get out. It's not doing what I want it to do. Oh, green arrow again. I better get out. And then the green arrows, everything's green. I get back in. And then this big one says, hey, things are changing. Only sell. Okay. Oh, right there it is. Sell. Oh, right away, green arrow out. And if you don't get out on the green arrow, you're going to get out when it starts crossing above. Right there, everything's green. Why would you even stay in? You still got money. Then you go up and you made money. But you probably wouldn't take this green one because this one here is telling you to only sell. So why would you even take that green one? I would see everything's green and it's going above, but I wouldn't take it because this one's saying only sell. If you get greedy, you might make a little bit, but it's better to wait and make the big money with no stress. Go back up, make the big money, no stress. Now it's saying buy. And then it went up to the yellow X. X said get out now. We're going back down. And what is it doing? It's going violently back down. That is called violently. When it goes that fast back down and close and reverse, it's going back down. Now it's going to go back up because this one is here. Until we get a large red one, we're not going looking for sells. We're only looking for buys. Anyway, I'm just trying to say how awesome the system is. And right now I'm looking for it to go green again. Once it goes green again, I'm all in because I want to make money. That's what it's all about. We're here to make money. And we got everything on here to help us make money. Plus, you got me and Robert. You need help, we will help you. That's what we're here to do. I will spend extra time if you need it. Or to chat. I don't mind. Send me an email. Get together. We can get together on another not a website, but we can do a messenger together. We can do something. I'll find a way to get together with you. We'll just do a meeting session where I can get together off hours of the trading session. That's all. If you need any extra help, I'm here to help. I'm not that big. We don't have that many people involved. Once we do, maybe things will change. But right now we don't. So if you want extra help, or if you just want to hang out with somebody that trades like you, that's trading a system that makes money, that can show you how to make money, this is where you need to be. I can't tell you enough. I don't know what to tell you. Look, if you just went by this, it's told you it's sold. But then you get confused. When do I get out? Well, get out here, and if you want to sell it, you could sell it, but this is telling you to buy. So I would not do anything until we get the large red one. If we got this, then the red, yeah, I'd be selling, but not till then. You got to do what the chart tells you to do. If you think on your own and say, oh, this is the strongest one, it's weaker than that, it's stronger than the US dollar, then you're in trouble because this thing might flip around in a heartbeat. And if you were little, back when I was little, we got spanked. And that's called getting spanked. And you don't want to be spanked. You want to make money. You want to be happy. This system will make you happy. And I will do everything in my power for you to help you understand it. All you got to do is try to work with me. Even if there's a communication problem, maybe you're from a different country, we don't even speak the same languages. I mean, help me help you. I will do everything I can. I mean, I have no problem. I'm here to help you. So if you want to make money, this is a system for you. That's all I can tell you. This is what changed my life. There was a couple other templates up to this, but this is the best one I've come across. I finally dialed it in, and I keep dialing it in. Look, we just added this because this helps me. Helps me see above and below where I'm at. If I'm on the 5-minute chart, I can see on the 15-minute chart we're kind of messed up. But on the 1-minute chart, we're getting back in line, so therefore I should hang on. Then I'm going by the system. The system's telling me only, and I don't go looking at the 15-minute chart if I'm trading the 5. I stay here. Don't get confused. Stay on here. This is telling you to only buy. There's no buy signals here. So therefore you sit on your hands. Yes, could you have made money? Maybe. But why try maybe? We want to make money for sure. You want to make money for sure, come over here to our website and buy this software. You get 1 month of free trade room. So therefore the trade room is $50, the software is $50, and I help you get it back. But I got to tell you, you got to show up to the trade room. If you don't show up to the trade room, I can't help you. Okay? And if you show up to the trade room, the word help, H-E-L-P, I will help you. If it's something you don't understand, something you want me to explain, this one. Okay, explain this one. Explain this. Where do I buy? Where do I sell? I will explain it to you. It's very simple. Matter of fact, Once I explain it to you, you probably never want to hear my voice again, because this thing will tell you everything. And when it gets better, I will send it to you. It's lifetime updates. It's not a problem. There's enough people out there that, why not? I'm trading anyway. I make my money by trading. I don't make my money by selling this software, because I haven't sold it that much. And I'm surprised because it's so awesome. I got maybe 10 people. That's it. 10 people out of millions and millions of people. So that means they're not seeing my videos. They're not seeing my advertisements. But I'm not advertising. It's all word of mouth. So therefore, it's my fault. But I'm not in a hurry for it to grow. I like it being small right now. I'm still learning myself. I'm still learning how to deal with people in the trade rooms. I don't know how to deal with 1,000. Right now, I can deal with 3 or 4. I like that. It's kind of fun. So if it gets out of hand, yes. And we can't talk in there. We have to only type. That's fine. Then if you have a problem, contact me and we'll get together. So I'm here to help. Anyway, guys, I've rambled on and on and on. It doesn't get any better than this. If you want to make money in the Forex market, which is open all the time, even though it's only 3 good sessions to trade, and those 3 sessions you can make a lot of money. So you don't have to have a job. You can just come and do this. And that's it. But don't quit your job until you make enough money to where you can. That's all. Use that money that you're making on your job, take a little bit extra, scrape it off, and put it in your Forex account. Find a time to meet me in a trade room, and I can help you trade it. And then once you feel comfortable, once you feel like, wow, I'm already making $200-300 a day, why do I want to go to work for $80 a day, $100 a day, $300 a day? I mean, if you can make it here, why leave your house? So that's all I'm talking about. Why not be on vacation making money? Maybe you go on vacation and you tell your significant other, hey, I need an hour and a half. I'm going to make some money. Okay. Sitting there on the beach with your laptop making money. Why not? Just make sure you go on a vacation where you can have the London market open where it's daylight. That would be awesome. Can you imagine that? I always think about that. I know there's quite a few people who do that. They move to areas to where London's like their daytime. This way they wake up, trade London, and that's it. They're done. So I trade all 3 markets. I like it. I just love to trade. And this system makes it easier for me. It makes it stress-free. Now, sometimes the market changes its mind, and that happens. I have the reverse button. It tries to trick me, and that's okay. But sometimes it's usually in my head. But if I listen to this, it's not in my head. So I hope to see you soon. I hope you want to make money, and I hope you purchase this system and change your life, because you need to. It helped me. It helped Robert. It helps everybody that gets it. That's all I can tell you. All right, guys. Have a great evening or a great day. We got the weekend coming. This is it. The trading's almost over. I may as well quit talking. And I will see you guys soon, somewhere. Okay, bye-bye.
Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money.
Dollar, dollar. Dollar, dollar.
Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money.